Hi guys, when I'm bored, I'll eat that candy.
Candy? Where'd you get this, Matthew?
From the pink bag.
Minnie Mouse and Friends Dig and Dips.
And gimme
I
it!
think you got it from the birthday party of Trinity. Dip and dip. I'm curious what's in here. Wow, come get it, Matthew. What's in there? Ah, what is that? Is that a candy?
Yeah.
And then you dip it here? Dip. Let me see.
Oh, this is the... Aha!
Come back here.
You're gonna try this in the dip.
Tell them how it tastes like. Oof.
Tastes like orange.
Tastes like what?
It tastes like orange, strawberry, and apple, then tangerine, and sour tangerine.
Oh man. I'm salivating now.
You should try it.
I should try it.
Yeah, you should try it. Try
So
it.
guys, Matthew wants me to try this. Let me dip it again.
Need
Let
some
me
more
dip it
sugar?
again. Yeah, why not? Ah. Ooh. It's so... I cannot explain.
Give me.
It again.
I'll buy it.
Did you bite it?
Let's eat this.
How is it?
Good now.
It's good now. The first bite, it doesn't taste good.
Because I put some sugar.
But as you dip it more often, it gets better.
Good. Very good. You should try this now.
Thank you.
Good.
So when Matthew's bored, he said,
I eat this candy.
"You eat the candy."